Hi, welcome to Self-Care Sundays. My name is Julie. I work at the Lake Hazel branch of the Ada Community Libraries. Today we're going to be making an oatmeal face mask, and you probably already have all of the ingredients in your pantry that you need for this very simple recipe. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 egg yolk. The oatmeal needs to be very fine, so I put it in my blender and just pulsed it a little. And now I have this lovely fine consistency that we can use in our recipe today. So I will take 4 tablespoons of that. And now we need to separate our egg. There are many ways to do this. I like to crack it. I have a little container here for the egg whites. And then crack it in half and very gently let the white just drip out. You can pass it, if you pass it back and forth between the 2 halves of your shell, that helps sometimes too. All right. Perfect. That goes in the bowl with the oatmeal. And then last, we need 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, so you're just going to mix this around, making sure it's well incorporated and the yolk is fully broken up. Now this is a good time also, if you would like it to smell really nice, you can put in your favorite essential oil. Also, if you're allergic to any of these ingredients, if it hurts your body to eat it, don't put it on your skin. It will probably hurt your body to put on your skin. Just use your best judgment. So now I've got it all incorporated, and we've got a really nice, even paste. I'll put it on my hand so you can see it. If you have oily skin, you can also add in a splash or 2 of lemon juice, and that will help in that regards too. So first you want to just put it on your hand and give it a little test. Make sure that it doesn't irritate your skin. And then you can take all of it and put it on your face, avoid your eyes, and then sit for 15 minutes. And during this time, you can listen to some music, you can read a book. You really can't do anything else because you've got your face mask on and you need to let it sit. And then after 15 minutes, you can rinse it off and pat your face dry with a towel and then see how good your face feels. And that's it. Thank you for joining me.